The first step is Dr. Color Chip, but first we got to buff. At Tint World, we are a Dr. Color Chip authorized installer, and this is what we're using for this Porsche. This is the spot we're going to take care of. There are several steps. The first step is cleaning the car. Second step is deconning it. And then the third step now is I'm applying. This is not touch-up paint. This is that special formula made by Dr. Color Chip. It's going to fill in this hole. So now we come back with a little product called Shellac, which blends the paint and works with it to fill the spot.